Are you filming?
Yeah.
Hello guys, do you want to know how to do coffee? I'm here to help you. So, every coffee machine, espresso machine has three different parts. Here is the milk steamer, as you can see, basket when we put all the coffee grinded, and finally this part that is for water. If you want to do an Americano, this is going to be the output for water. Every time that you start turning this on, remember this is hot. This is going to be hot, this is going to be hot, this is also going to be hot. Please remember to fill up everything with water. And also just wait that the pressure meter, as you can see here, it goes closely to 1 bar. After the coffee machine has already gone to this green area, it's ready to go. We have here some coffee beans and we have here the grinder. You can see here there are some reminders from previous people. This coffee is bad. If you want to taste really bad coffee, you can keep it, but I usually just dispose of it. Also, there are some reminders of previous coffee beans here inside of the grinder mechanism. So to clean it, what I recommend is that you use a little bit of the beans that you have, just a handful, and turn it on. This is going to help to clean all the reminders that are inside of the machine. And then you can dispose everything. So once that you have done this, you can put as many coffee beans as you want. Close the lid and just put. The texture should be something close to a sand if you are a geotech. And the idea is to feel something like this. You know hydrology, you will know that we want to extract the most flavors of the soil. So to do this, we need to first compact it. That's why we use the hamper. It's very simple. You just plant it here and the pressure should be vertical. And we just put one pressure here and one pressure here. It's compacted. To do the espresso, first thing first, remember, you're not the only one using the coffee machine, so please clean it up. Make that some of the water is going to clean the inside of the basket. Just put the basket here. It has fitted when you can easily move it vertically. You just turn it to this side, a little touch. Don't need to put it all the way because you're going to damage the machine. Coffee cup here and start infusion. And that's everything that you need to do. To clean it up, please, again, everything backward steps, pull the basket, put it, all the reminders here, clean it up, and use this little napkin to clean everything that is reminder inside the basket. That's it. Here's the steamer. Please use this handle because this is hot. And the steamer works like this. And it has two functions: to create micro bubbles into the milk and also to heat it. You just need to fill it up. Here's the base of the peak, a little bit up. And we want to position this part in one of the quarters of the circle. If we put it on the center of a quarter, this is going to make the milk rotate, making that the big bubbles are going to explode into micro bubbles, which is what we want. So the idea is to position your hand here, so you can also feel that the milk is increasing the temperature. And as you can see, I'm now in the quarter of the center of this quarter and open the steamer. This is not creating anything, you need to open it fully. That's what we want. We want rotate. We feel that the jar is too hot to sustain with our hand, and then we close it. Use a napkin, clean it up, steam it a little bit again, so we can also clean the inside of the tube, and that's how you steam milk.